The next dance performance is called Brahmam Okkate. As I said earlier, our culture is not just a mythological story, but a whole novel of moral values expressed through interesting stories. The dance to be performed now is a depiction of one such value that teaches indiscrimination and equality. Brahmam Okkate symbolizes the oneness of God. It underlines that there is no distinction between the high and the low, the rich and the poor, the noble and the person who is born in low caste. This is the world where the king and its subjects sleep on the same land, that is Bhumi. It also symbolizes that our Lord, our Sri Hari, dwells in the heart of every living creature, be it a peacock, an elephant, the sinner, or the virtuous. Presenting Brahmam Okkate, Rag Bauli, Maya Malavagaula, Tal Adi, composer Sri Tallapaka Annamaya, language Telugu, music credits Kuldeep M. Pai and Surya Gayarthi. These dance will be performed by Spruha, Ira, Ritika, Mihika, Avani, Savri and Sanvi Srivastava.